Welcome, guys. Welcome. Hope you guys had a great trading day today. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Hey, Simon. Welcome, Simon. Welcome. Hey, Tylag. Welcome, Tylag. Welcome. All right, guys, let's get right into it. Okay. All right. Lots of volatility today in the equity markets and Forex. All right. So let's go through it. All right. Hey, Tamara, welcome, welcome. Okay, guys, this shouldn't be a surprise, okay? This should not be a surprise. We've been talking about things slowing down a bit, okay? So that happened in a big way today with equities, okay? So we do have sell signals, guys. We have sell signals in equities today. So that came in today. So we have a sell signal on the S&P. That is a big deal. All right. So we have a sell signal that came in here on the S&P. Very important. All right. Buy signal was here. Broke support. Right. Right here. Red candle sell signal on the S&P. Again, that's a big deal. All right. We also have a sell signal on the NASDAQ. All right. We've been talking about large caps. All right. Having difficulty moving higher. We saw sell signals on the Magnificent Seven stocks, which is a big part of the NASDAQ and the S&P. And now we know why. All right. So sell signal on the NASDAQ, buy signal was here, sell signal, red candle right here. We should be out of stocks, okay? Out of stocks. All right, so remember, S&P, sell signal, all right? NASDAQ, sell signal. On the Dow, we do not have a sell signal yet, but the Dow is trading below support and resistance right here. That's a concern. If we have additional selling tomorrow and Friday, we could get a sell signal on the Dow. The type of selling we've had today, okay, and we're in the middle of the week, right? There's a good chance we'll see continued selling tomorrow and Friday. Okay. The IWM, the Russell, which is small caps. Okay. A bit of a pullback right here, just a pullback. We'll keep an eye on the Russell, though. If it gets below this near-term support right here, then that's more of a concern. If it gets back into the support and resistance, then that's really a concern. However, the sell signals on the S&P and the NASDAQ is enough. Okay, the Dow and the Russell, the IWM will not hold up the markets. Okay. Right, we really need the S&P and the NASDAQ. And since these are failing, that's a concern. Major concern. Major concern. Okay? Especially right now where we're out of the season, right? We're out of the buying season for stocks, right? July, right? Selling may and go away. We know about that, right? But June, July, especially August and September, those are the worst months for the markets. Okay, so just remember that. The VIX, okay, here, almost at 20. Okay, so the VIX has jumped from a low of about 11, right? 11, 12 to 18 right now. We've talked about 20. The VIX really needs to stay below 20, and guess what? It's at 18. A bit more selling, guess what? Will be above 20, which is not good for the equity market. So currently VIX is at 18. All right. So you guys have seen the VIX move higher and higher and higher. All right. So far right now, the Sectors are hanging in there. All right, they're holding on. We might go. There's no need to go over the sectors. Overall, sell signal on the S&P, Nasdaq. We are done buying. Okay, adding stocks. Okay, whatever we have, we'll take a look at those, trim them, whatever we need to, based on what the candles are doing, signals, and so forth. Otherwise, we're done buying for now. Okay. Futures market, the dollar is still red right here. We did see a move higher in the dollar pairs. Okay. So we've started adding. Hey, Anthony, welcome. We've started adding long dollar pairs. Okay. Long dollar pairs. We've started to add slowly. Okay. All right. All right, Forex, great volatility. All right, in Forex, you guys see here lots of volatility. Remember, as volatility increase in the equity markets, okay, that will increase the Forex market also. Okay, so on the daily time frame, really good volatility. On the 240, really good volatility here, guys. Look at that, all the way down here. All right, I'd say about 95%, 99% volatility, and even on the 60-minute time frame, good volatility. And finally, we've got direction. All right, so we have a lot of good selling here in the Aussie, Kiwi, and Yen pairs, all red every single time frame. So daily, 240, and 60, and we've got buying in here. All right, we would like to see more buying come in these dollar pairs. If the dollar index, right, shape up, give us at a minimum a white candle, we'll start to see more buying coming here. But this is exactly what we want to see here. We want to see more buying here. All right, we've got some buying on the euro pairs, but boy, we need the dollar to break out. That will that happens, we could see these here, Aussie, Kiwi, and Yen pairs move lower. Okay. All right. Now, we had a great day. Great day. As a matter of fact, great week, week and a half, shorts. Okay. Shorts. So let's go through those. Okay. Let's go through those. So let's go take a look at Monster Scalper here. Oh, I'm sorry. Hold on. Wrong place. Hold on. All right. Okay. All right. All right. Current positions. Let's start with shorts. And you guys remember we went a long time without any shorts, and it's amazing how things change because the trade right now is short. So current positions in Monster Scalper, short positions. All right, great day today. TRY, JPY, sell short signal here, holding firm. All right, we just need to hold. If it breaks support here, redistribution, we can move lower. All right. Now, the Dow was down 504 points. That's a lot. That's a big down day, guys. All right. Traders will remember this. I doubt, now it could happen. I doubt they will buy tomorrow. I doubt it. Okay. All right, big down day on the Dow. Nasdaq, a big down day. Nasdaq was down. Now, if you look here, right, the Dow was down 0.125%. Nasdaq, 3.64%. That's a big down day. S&P, 2.31%. And then the Russell, 1.7%. So those are big moves. Do we have data coming out tomorrow? Thursday, yes, we've got unemployment claims, okay, coming out at 8:30. So that could really move the market. Hey, Joe, welcome, Joe, welcome. All right, so TRY, JPY still holding it short. Aussie yen, great short. Those of you who took these shorts, good job. All right, Aussie yen, right, 60-minute. All right, great short. On the 240, you guys know we've missed those trades on the 240, but boy, are we making up for those trades on the 60-minute time frame. All right, so Aussie yen, great short going there. All right, nothing to do, guys. Just hold on. All right. All right, all red candles, no white candles, no sell buy to cover signal. Look at that. It's under 62. All right, so great trade going there. Aussie yen. All right, pound yen. All right, sell short signal here. Look at that. Gut pass support. Let's bring that all the way down here. That's a good thing, right? All right, so near-term support, well, redistribution right here if it breaks through. Nothing to do. No white candles, no green candles, all right? No buy to cover signal, so just hold on to the trade. Pound yen, great trade going there. HKD, JPY, all right? Sell short signal was here, all right? I know we got in a little lower, but here we are. So move your if you're trading on that 60-minute, go ahead and move that line down. All right, we need that price to break through support right here. That's redistribution. Now, if we get a pullback overnight, all right, you guys could see where, don't panic, right? It could certainly move higher, these candles, to this resistance. All right, you could possibly get a white candle and then just be patient, wait. And the goal is, if that happens, wait for the next candle. Hopefully it turns red and move lower. There's so much selling right now. I doubt. All right, and I'm wrong. I'm wrong. Sometimes I can be wrong a lot, but just we're following the price action. There's a good chance though that buyers won't come in heavy. If they do, we'll see it in the price action tomorrow. Okay. If that data, right, is whether that data tomorrow, it comes out at what time? 8:30. That might move the market long. But so just keep an eye on things. Okay. USD JPY, sell short signal here. That's holding. Let's bring this down here. All right. Did we do euro? Euro, yen, all great trades, guys. This on the 60-minute time frame, okay? All right, so hopefully you guys are taking advantage of these moves. CAD yen, another great trade here. You guys know we've been waiting for this move. We finally got it here. Okay, sell short signal here, good price action. Look at the previous trades. All right, now we missed these. Here we are. It's okay to miss them. Just get back on. ZAR yen, sell short signal is here and looks nice here. All red candles, purple support and resistance, looking to break through support here. And Swiss yen. All right, Swiss yen. Sell short signal up here. Looks good. All right. All right. So yen pairs, guys, great trades. Good percentages. Sent out the percentages on those. Great percentages for the day. We need those to continue to move lower. Be careful scaling. You can certainly scale. Just be aware of the risk in scaling. If you scale, just do it. Watch your capital, okay? Long positions. So we do have some longs too. So longs and shorts. All right, so Euro, EURSEK, long in Monster Scalper on the 60-minute time frame. That trade closed, okay? So buy signal here was on a break of this resistance. All right, support is right here. So we bought here, sold here, close the trade, please. All right, so EURSEK, close the trade, please. All right, USD NOK, we've been holding this for a while. This one closed today. That's surprising. So USD NOK on the 60-minute, buy signal was here, sell signal. Really good trade there. All right. But guess what? It's done for now. Close the trade. So USD NOK on the 60-minute time frame, close the trade. All right. Hey, Tylag, welcome. All right. Pound CAD. Pound CAD, guys, buy signal here. That's holding. All right. Pound CAD. Pound Swiss. That one closed. Okay. All right. Don't tell me these pound pairs are acting up again. All right, so pound Swiss, buy signal here, broke, support is right here, guys. All right, support is right here, broke support, right here, resistance here, support, red candle, sell signal, close the trade. Remember, get out on these sell signals and red candles, because guess what? This is what could happen, okay? So take those small losses. Take those small losses and get out quickly. Pound Swiss, close the trade, please. Euro, EUR, HUF, buy signal here, that's holding. USD MXN, all right, buy signal here. So the dollar pairs are moving. This is what we would like to see. All right, these yen pairs continue to move lower. Dollar pairs continue to move higher. Now, right, that happens, we've got a good rotation. We already have a rotation in the yen pairs, but boy, if we can see these dollar pairs move higher, we could have a long-lasting move here. Okay, so USD MXN, buy signal on the 60-minute on a break of this resistance, holding firm, all green candles, yellow support and resistance. That's good. USD HUF, buy signal here, holding. Now, I think we got a little higher on these. Okay, so markdown phase, markup phase. All right. We don't worry about targets right now. We're looking for a bigger move. Okay, so we're looking for a move past resistance here, move higher. Okay, markets are changing. Things are changing here. USD HKD, I know it's very choppy in here, but if these dollar pairs move, all right, these will move also. Okay, dollar index move, these will move also. Very choppy in here. Now, your best trade is going to be, all right, your number one trade are the yen pairs short, all right? But these dollar pairs could really start to make a move, okay? All right, so USD HKD, again, another great chart here, but if we frame it right here, buy signal here, green candle, looking to move higher there. Pound, GBP HKD, sell this trade. All right, close it. All right, pound, GBP, HKD, buy signals here, red candle, close the trade, please. Okay. All right. All right, we hope the yen pairs, yen and dollar pairs, we hope, all right, that a 1-2 punch with the yen and the dollar pairs. Okay. All right. On the 240 long in Monster Scalper. Let's go through these. All right, we'll start here. Euro, EUR, HKD, buy signal here, holding so far. All right, markdown, here's your markdown phase, bring in your V. All right, USD, CZK. All right. Reaccumulation, all right, a decent cup and handle here. Now, with these euro pairs and these pound pairs, we're just trying to find something. But now that these yen pairs are moving, right? We get these dollar pairs moving. Those might be the priority trades, okay? EUR CZK buy signal here. We just need to break through that resistance, and it's been trading fairly well. Bought here, sold here in the markup phase. Euro ZAR, EUR ZAR, that closed. Okay, so buy signal here, right? Hit support, sell signal, never really broke through that resistance, closed the trade. All right, Euro ZAR. Okay. EUR SEK buy signal here, it is breaking out. Okay, so if you're in it, just continue to hold. And now the dollar pairs in USD MXN on the 240. Okay, buy signal here. I think we got in somewhere in here. Okay, continue to hold. Resistance is right here. We are looking for a bigger move. So if we get in a little late on these dollar pairs, that's fine. You don't have to enter right at that buy signal. Okay. All right, here we are. Markdown, buy signal, moving higher, need to break through that resistance. Okay, USD MXN, USD CZK, same thing here, buy signal. All right, USD HUF, dollar pairs, guys. Look at this here. All right, really good markdown. So we've got that discount on USD HUF, okay? So this is the type of rotation we want to see. We want to see buying coming in these dollar pairs and selling coming in these yen pairs. All right, it's a beautiful thing. USD HUF, USD PLN, same thing here. Pay attention to these dollar pairs, guys. And we don't even have any type of buying yet on the dollar index. Imagine if that happens. All right, buy signal here on a break of resistance, moving up nicely, target all the way up here. USD PLN, USD DKK. Look at this, looks good. Good markdown phase. Buyers are coming in. So again, short the yen, long dollar. Short yen, long dollar, okay? All right, good markdown phase, buy signal, moving up nicely here. USD DKK, all right, monster scalper on the 240. So we missed that short in the yen pairs on the 240. Hopefully we can make up some ground on the 240 here with these dollar pairs. All right. Dollar ZAR, and I know dollar ZAR is volatile. Red candles here, but guess what? We're going to get back in here. All right. And then let's see here. And I think that's it. Okay. All right. So dollar pairs. Now we've got some shorts, couple of shorts. So we caught two shorts on the 240 in monster scalper. And then we'll take a look at Forex Dominator. Okay. All right. Short 240. All right. We've got Swiss yen. All right. Sell short signal here. Holding right here. All right. Support is right about here. If it breaks through that support, I am surprised that based on all that selling, right, it held here, it didn't move down lower. Okay, so Swiss yen, and then pound yen broke through. Good job, pound yen broke through support, broke through its target. Okay, so sell short signal right here. I think we called it right about in here. Okay, broke through. Next support is all the way down here for pound yen. Okay, so those are the only two. But there are tons of good shorts on the 240 with the yen pairs. Okay. Don't feel bad if you miss it. Okay. On the 240. On Forex dominator long, let's go through those. All right, Euro Aussie. All right, buy signal here. All right, bring in your lines. Don't be lazy like me. Oh, hold on. We'll see if this move in the Euro pairs lasts. Okay, so markdown phase, buy signal, moving up. Euro Aussie, Euro New Zealand. All right, looks good. It's getting past, right, this range here. All right, resistance, support. It looks good. Getting past resistance here. Sellers, getting past sellers. EURN, okay, same thing. Buy signal here. All right, this looks good. All right, looks good. Getting past sellers here. Good resistance here. Boy, if these Euro pairs can break out, we could see another move, you know. Hopefully, they need to get past this consolidation here. Okay, it's a wide consolidation, but it is a consolidation. Euro CAD, right, also breaking out. Okay. EURSEK also, right, buy signal here. We need to get all the way up near resistance here and hopefully break out. Those are the Euro pairs, and then Aussie pairs. Those are in, Pound Aussie, Forex dominator. Buy signal here, breaking out. Pound HKD, right? A bit of a pullback. We need that to break out. So those Euro pairs and pound pairs, they've given us a difficult time, guys, for last year into this year also, because they've been stuck in this funky range here. So now they're trying to break out. They're trying to break out. Pound SGD, same thing. Keep an eye on this one. Close to that resistance line. All right. Buy signal was here, but we need that to hold, stay higher. Pound CAD, buy signal here. That's holding fairly well there. Okay. And long, we have dollar CAD. Hopefully we can add more dollar pairs. Okay. All right. So dollar CAD in Forex dominator. Here is your trend line. Buy signal came in yesterday. All right, nice, clean, early buy signal on a break of resistance here. Looking to move higher here. The dollar pairs move. This should be get a good pop there. Dollar CAD and USDN, okay, that's moving higher already. Let's bring that resistance probably about right up here. That's more realistic. And support is down here. All right, so we need to break out of this range here, USDN, okay. The dollar pairs, they've got some work to do, but they're close. And again, the dollar index move. These will move. All right, shorts. So we got some yen shorts in Forex dominator also. So monster scalper, we are loaded, guys. Long and short. On the 60, loaded long on the 240, and boy, I wish on the 240 short, not as much, but we won't talk about that. All right. All right, it's never fun when you miss a trade, even for me. All right, but we needed to give those the yen pairs some time to really figure things out. Shorts in Forex dominated the yen pair. So TRY, JPY, guys, sell short signal here, breaking support here. That is good. Okay, that's good there. TRY, JPY. Aussie yen, sell short signal was here. Looks good, holding. If you guys want to, you could bring in your markup phase. Okay. Frame your trade. All right, markdown phase. All right, support on Aussie yen is right about, let's bring it right here for now. All right, you might go lower, but for right now, we'll leave it here. Okay, look at that. All right, now notice how slowly they go up. All right, day after day, look how quickly they come down. All right, so this is why we have to be careful. Get out quickly, right, when they break support. HKD JPY, right, sell short signal, that's coming down. Euro yen, sell short signal, looks good. So we're Forex dominated traders, be on alert. Dollar yen, sell short signal. All these are fairly new. Most of these sell short signals came in today and yesterday. All right, CAD yen, sell short signal. That looks good. Your target is about here. The targets are about the same on all of these. SGD JPY, sell short signal here. All right, they'll go up. What goes up must come down. They got to come down at some point. New Zealand yen. All right, New Zealand yen. All right, sell short signal here. Look at these guys, almost at its target here. Okay. All right, good trade going here, New Zealand yen. Now, New Zealand dollar, sell short signal is here, getting near support here. Now, some of these we got in a little late, right? We might have gotten in a couple, but still great moves. Still great moves. Lots of profits to be made here. All right, so New Zealand Swiss sell short signal here. All right, broke that trend line all the way down here. Let's see if we can find a target. A support on this. Boy, that's a falling knife there, huh? Support is right about here, okay? All right, great trade going here. New Zealand Swiss, and then Aussie Swiss. All right, sell short signal here on the break of this support. Right here, right here. Target on this one is about here, okay? All right. Aussie Swiss. All right, now let's take a look at equities now. Look here, we're loaded up, longs and shorts, okay? So, good trading, good trading. Our goal is to be on the right side. Okay, just be on the right side of these trades. All right, we don't care if they're long or short. When things change, we've got to change with the market. Equities, stocks, let's take a look at Stock Boss, right? Let's see if they're holding. BGC, that's holding. BRKL holding. FFWM holding. All right. Now the Russell held. It was down, but it did hold. So we're seeing that so far. Small caps are holding. Still down, but holding. Okay. Might not be the same for large caps. Holding, 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 holding. That's holding, holding, holding. All green candles. Look at that. Small caps, boy, really bucked the trend today. EBS. Look at EBS. Let's see if it's near its resistance level today. Look at that. It has hit its resistance. Big candle, guys, today. All right. So if anyone is trading this, I would say just hold on. You don't even have to move to a smaller time frame. With a big candle like this, all right, what sector is That's healthcare. All right, healthcare can be a flight to safety. Okay, so healthcare. Um, Look at that. Okay, so good trade going here. Holding. All right, holding firm and holding firm here. So small caps held up with all of that selling. But remember, we got a sell signal in the NASDAQ and the S&P, and that's going to be large cap, mainly in Bullmaster and Bullmaster Pro. Now, you guys remember, we trimmed the positions quite a bit, okay? Because a lot of these positions have been giving sell signals or white arrows, white candles to kind of get out, okay? So let's go through these. AMKR, white candle here. Hey, Taj, welcome, Taj, welcome. AMKR, white candle here. We're going to close this. Buy signal was at 35.96. Close today, 38. Close the trade, okay? All right, no chances here. All right, Robin Hood, all right. Red candle came in today, guys. That's our sell signal, okay? So buy signal was at 20 and change, right around there. Sell signal, red candle closed today at 21. We are closing that. Robin Hood, get out. All right, NRIX, that's holding for now. And Royal Caribbean, let's see. That's holding for now, Royal Caribbean. Okay, green candle here. I'm holding fairly well. All right, so only 2 in Bullmaster. This is exactly what we want. All right, we don't want to be heavy in the markets, right, with sell signals. So notice how, guys, we've been trimming, right, not based on what we want, right, based on what these trades are doing. And this is really nice when you can be light in the market, light when sellers really come in, right? These institutions really start dumping. Okay, that's the goal. All right, Apple, Bullmaster Pro, white candle right here. We are going to close that trade. We've been talking about this. All right, so white candle here. The buy signal came in here. I think we called it right about here. All right, so right about 210 or so, trading a close today at 218, close the trade, please. That's part of the Magnificent Seven. And guess what? They're all giving sell signals to exit, okay? And we'll take a look at these Magnificent Seven stocks, okay, guys? So Apple, close the trade, please. All right, APO, that's holding so far. All right, AX, that's holding so far. Car, that's holding. Coke is holding. We'll hold that for now. Goldman Sachs, GS, Joe is on here. Joe, let's take a look here. Let's see the 30-minute sell signal here on that 30-minute. So, Joe, you might really want to think about that trade. On the 60-minute, we have sellers coming in on the 60-minute. All right, so you might want to, I know we don't have a sell signal on that daily time frame, but given the condition of the market, the only saving grace, though, with Goldman Sachs is that it is financials. Okay, it is financial, but it's not small cap. All right. It's a large cap, but it is in the right sector right now. So just be aware of that. Okay, but we are seeing selling coming in on the 30-minute, not a big deal, but that's that 1 hour time frame, that's a big deal. Okay, so just be aware of that right here. And if it breaks support right here, you could see that price really move lower. All right, so we do have a sell signal, and then guess what? Red candles are coming in that breaks support, and that's decent support here at 483. All right, we could really see that move lower here. Okay, all right, just be aware of that. All right. That's holding. PLTR, we're going to close that trade. Okay, so PLTR buy signal was right here at 25, big white candle. All right, at 26, we're going to close that trade. All right, if it tests that support, previous resistances become support, that could be a concern there. Okay, so PLTR, close that for now. Play defense right now, guys. Defense. ROL, all right, we can always get back later when we get new buy signals, okay? ROL, that's holding for now. Tesla, look at Tesla. We've been talking about Tesla. All right, guys, pay attention to what's going on. All right, we've been talking about Tesla. That was a concern. Tesla could not get past resistance here, and this is where sellers came in before. Here we are. Tesla is right here. Gap down today with a red candle. All right, so it closed yesterday around 247. Gap down today, closed today at 215. Okay, so definitely get out of this trade. Okay, so we should be out. TSLA out. And ZETA, that's holding for now. All right, that's a big candle. That's a down candle. I know it's not white or red, but it is. It's down. Okay, buy signal was here, 1842. Closed today at 1969. If you want to, you can close it. We'll leave it for now. But that's a big candle there to the downside, right? But it's not red or white yet. Okay. All right. So this is where we are, right? We have a bit more in Stock Boss, right? Nothing in Bull Master, basically, and then Bull Master Pro. Okay. Our US 30 traders. Okay. All right. Great, Joe. Great. Yeah. Watch it. Okay. Let's do this here. The Magnificent Seven. We've been talking about these. Okay. And we know that these Magnificent Seven stocks, like these big companies, they've been carrying the market, and they're selling off. Okay. So let's go through those. Apple. All right. Doesn't have a sell signal yet. Now we've called it. Hey, we're done with it for now. All right. So it does have a white candle here. Okay. Apple. Microsoft has given a sell signal. Sell signal came in a few days ago. All right. A few days ago, big red candle came in today to break support right here. That's not good. Next support on Apple is about right here. As the selling, if the selling, there's no guarantee that the selling will continue, okay? But based on what we know historically, based on following price, time of the year, all right, there's a good chance prices could go lower. We'll start setting support levels. Okay, so here is a support level here. Price broke support here. The next level, and we'll continue to do that all through the selling, and this will give us a good idea when to come back in the market. Okay. All right, so we've got areas here of support here, here, and here. And the goal is we want to see the price break through these levels. And ideally, if they can break through the levels during the summer, July, August, September, come back in October, that would be awesome. Okay, so we'll leave it like this for now, but we'll bring those in and try to, right? We'll track these prices. Google, right here, sales signal came in today. Okay. Facebook, sales signal already came in. And we are right here at support. This is an important support level here. Next support, if it breaks to support here, Next support, guys, real support is all the way down here, okay? All the way down here. NVIDIA, also, sell signal came in a few days ago. Now, I talked about this last night, right? Say, hey, don't be fooled. Guys, remember this, right? If you don't go back, listen, right? Go back to the previous training sessions so that this is how we learn. I talked about this. Don't be fooled by these buyers trying to come in. All right. I know it doesn't look like buyers are coming in here on the chart, but we got higher lows in here, and this happens a lot, right? They'll bring you in and then slam it back down. Okay. So just be aware of that. But that's done now. That gap down, breaking support here. Next support on the video. And I know everyone loves this stock out there in Wall Street, but we just follow the price. So it broke support here. All right, red candle here, the next support level. And I know it's split, so these numbers might look a bit different here. So next support level is at 95. Okay, so trading at 118, next support level here is right about 95. If it gets through 95, all right, next support after that is about 80, about 82. Let's see here. Yeah, right about here, 82. And then from there, the next support is all the way down here. And wouldn't it be great to see NVIDIA fall all the way down here to 50 bucks? All right, coming into October, the fourth quarter, that would be nice, okay? And we get a buy signal. Imagine this comes on down, right? Create a nice markdown phase, settle in, right? Going into the Christmas season where these big institutions start to come back in, settle down nicely. I'm not saying that's going to happen, but it would be nice, all right? And then start picking it up cheap, all right? So NVIDIA and Tesla. All right, Tesla here. We talked about Tesla, failed to break support resistance here. All right, we've got good support right here, which is about 172 trading here. Now we have if you guys look here for Tesla on the, was it the monthly time frame? There's a bigger drop. I think the drop on Tesla is about $50. Yeah. Boy, if Tesla could get, as a matter of fact, lower than $50 on the monthly time frame. Now, this is why we do this, because if you stay in, guys, if you stay in, let's say you bought Tesla here at $4,400 and it keeps doing this, that's painful, okay? So if we can get out, and this is just what we do, right? We can get out, wait for it to drop. If it drop, I'm not saying it will, but it's got really big support here at about 20. I know it sounds ridiculous. I know it sounds absolutely ridiculous, but real support is not until about $29, $30 all the way down here. Okay, that's on the monthly time frame. So you have real support here. You have support here. This is not support. You have support right here at 172. Okay, it's trading at what, 215. All right, so it needs to hold support here. All right, it's on the monthly. If that breaks, okay, well, I mean, that's a fantasy there. So that's a long way, but it can happen, okay? But right now, support 172 right here, okay? All right. Now let's go to our US 30 traders. We had some shorts today. All right, so a US 30 trader short trades. Okay, so we call 3 short trades this morning. All right, on the US 30. So a US 30 traders futures E-mini. All right, sell short signal here. That's holding. So far, no new support and resistance lines, guys. Okay, so the only major concern is data coming out tomorrow. Okay, so just be aware of that. Okay, so USD, I'm sorry, the US 30 sell short signal, and this was timely, and we got a low right here. Okay, so good trade going here. On the daily time frame, what we would like to see is, boy, that candle come on down. All right, come on down, start testing support here. That would be so far it's a good trade. Not a great trade, a good trade. So USD, I'm sorry, US 30. I keep saying USD. US 30. Okay, good short here. And then the NAS, we call this also the NAS 100. So I know we've got some E-mini traders here. So good short here going on the NAS, right? Sell short signal here, really good trade going. So hopefully you guys caught these trades, all right? Big candle here in the futures market. Big candle here on the daily, good short. And then the S&P, let's see how that did, all right? Did really well also. Sell short signal nicely here. So 3 great short trades, okay? And hopefully they continue to move lower there, okay? Quick look at our heat seeker, and then we'll be done. We're not adding any positions today in equities, okay, guys? But what a great trading day with the yen pairs. All right. Anthony. All right. Let's see here. Okay, stock boss, guys. Let's run heat seeker. All right, 30 in stock boss. All right, and that's generous. Bull master. Let's see here. 29. So things are definitely slowing. Bull master pro. All right, selling coming into Bull Master Pro here. So stock boss traders, Bull Master traders, Bull Master Pro traders, just right, relax for now. All right, relax for now. Let's wait. Okay. All right, guys. Amazing how things change quickly, huh? Amazing how things change quickly. This is the market. This is how things work. So be flexible, right? Pay attention to your price action. Pay attention to these markets. These markets will rotate. They will change. All right. So if you guys need any help, right, with any of your trades, let me know. Okay. We've got increased volatility all over the place. Okay. So just be aware of that. And if you guys need me, I'm here. All right. Take care, guys. Thanks for coming. All right. Great opportunity. Forex is moving again. It's a beautiful thing. And we do have a rotation. So we can call a rotation in the yen pairs, the dollar pairs. We do need the dollar index to come on in. All right. And we need these dollar pairs, some follow through in the dollar pairs. And hopefully, the next trade will be the dollar trade, okay? The dollar long trade, dollar long. All right? All right, guys, take care. I will see you. Good lesson. This is a good lesson, especially for our new traders. Good lesson why we need to follow these markets. There was a lot of pain in these markets today, all right? Especially for investors, traders that are holding these large cap stocks, these big stocks, all right? A lot of pain today in this market. So this is why we do what we do. All right, this is why we do what we do. And we can come back in later. We can get out. All right, protect. All right, protect that capital, protect that account. We can always come back later and get in when the institutions stop selling and when they start buying again. All right, guys, take care. See you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.